What's up everyone, my name is Swift3dge and today we are not in my usual space recording because this is not a gaming video. This is a cooking video! More so baking. This is baking with Swift. And we are doing, because you know it's still around the holiday season and everything. Don't mind when this video gets uploaded. Gets uploaded when it gets uploaded. Right now it's still holiday season for me. We're doing gingerbread cookies, and shout out to allrecipes.com because doing a nice soft gingerbread cookie. I don't know about y'all, but I like my cookies soft. I don't like my cookies hard. Some people could prefer that, but you know, that's not for me. No, sorry. I want my cookie to not break my teeth when I bite into them. Right now I have been busy organizing everything as much as possible and everything, which pretty much means asking for help of where everything is in my kitchen. That is pretty much my go-to of prepping. And right now I've got everything sorted out right here. I can surround. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Measuring cups, even though, you know, I'm probably going to need more stuff. Got that molasses dribbling out like, oh, look at how beautiful that is. We're going to be here for a bit looking at this. I got to get my measuring spoons. And because, you know, I was like, I want to mix this in a timely manner. That means not sitting over a bowl. So it did a nice, pretty mixer, except I have no idea how it works. So we're going to try some trial and error of hopefully not breaking it. Kidding. The person who actually owns it might kill me if I break it. So I will ready everything, and then we're going to get to mixing and cooling. And then in a little bit, gonna have some little kitties over here, have my niece, her friend, and my nephews over here, and we're going to cut out these cookies, bake them, and have a lot of fun decorating them. There might be cookie dough flying back and forth. I don't know. I promise nothing. All right, let's get to mixing. All right, so now I got this camera and then I got this camera right here. It's gonna be fun going back and forth between the two. Like, this is going to really suck in the editing process. But I got everything here ready to go. Got my flour, which was about 3 1/4 cups, but you know, kind of cut it down a little bit so it's not too much. So right now, we gotta go into a medium bowl. Mix together the molasses, brown sugar, water, and butter until smooth. That's what I got my big, huge mixing bowl right here for. It's not really a medium bowl. Not at all. That's fine. I'm just gonna go ahead and pour those in there. So we got the molasses.
No.
What? Oh yeah, the butter. I need the butter. See, this is why it's important to have people around you that help you to make sure that you don't screw up, because otherwise
And your mother.
Yeah, that too. Make sure you always ask your mom for a second opinion. Alright, so I'm gonna pour the molasses because, you know, that's the first on the instructions. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you can actually see it on the camera, but that is like... Well, it said the molasses first. And I gotta put the brown sugar in. I might need a little bit of a spatula to make sure all this molasses goes in there. Alright, so I don't know how to... I have no idea how to work this thing. I just wanted to be known right now. Again, I could potentially break it. That's why I don't want to touch it too much. So I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, so we got the flour. I'm going to put the baking soda in there. How much of the baking soda do I need? I need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So all that's in there. I'm just going to do this. We're sure this is baking soda, right? Like, there's not a good label on this.
Yes.
For me who is editing this, I hope you're putting down the measurements right here. Not a lot of water. Alright. I just want to sift that bowl so all the spices start mixing together.
No, here.
Why shouldn't I do this? This could end only well. Alright, how do I lower this thing? I have no horses to hold. If I did, we'd have nowhere to walk around in here if I had a horse. Don't look at me and act all mockingly, please. Let me just show that with the camera. Oh, look at that beauty. It's got to be until smooth, so I don't know how long that's going to be. Alright, so the mixer. Not doing what we need to do, so I'm probably going to do this by hand. So that's about as smooth as we're getting.
I don't think so.
So that's about as smooth as we're gonna get it. Now there's probably gonna be someone in the comments who probably made gingerbread cookies going like, well, actually, like this is my first time making it. I'm trying my best. All right, combine flour, baking soda, allspice, and stir them into the wet mixture until all the dry is absorbed. So I gotta pour this in slowly as it's mixing.
Spoon.
Place your bets now on what happens.
Little bits at a time.
You said little bits. It's not my fault. This takes like 30 minutes.
It'll take 30 minutes. You're spilling all over the table.
Well, I'm trying to avoid that.
You're gonna lose your ingredients.
I'm aware that I'm gonna lose everything. I've already lost my sanity. We adapt. We evolve.
Okay.
Like gaming, you find what works. We're just gonna dump it in there, baby. Let's go. Oh, the dry is gone. Yeah. Hey, they see me having to sit all day. They don't get to see this, okay? The only time they get to see this is if they're in the live stream. And even then, I keep that to a minimal. Alright, now I'm gonna wrap this bowl. I've probably taken too much, but we will be back when the kids are here and we are ready to bake these cookies and decorate. Alright, so now we're back with this camera. You can see we got the dough ready. It didn't all clump together, unfortunately. Again, editing Swift is going to hate this. Alright, like I said before, we have the kitties in here.
Hello. Hello.
Okay.
Oh, hold on, I need my magic potion. I need my magic potion. Not sponsored. Unfortunately. Alright. Right now.
Don't put it in. That's as thick as you want it.
That's as thick as we want it right now?
Yep.
Alright. So, who wants to do the first one?
Hello.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Alright, now you, him.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Alright, Jane. Caught the first one. Really? You went right for the middle? Come on!
Why in the middle?
Why?
Why in the
It's
middle?
already done, so don't.
Why
Alright,
in
Xander,
the
you're next.
middle?
Okay.
And
Smacked out in the middle.
Why?
why in the middle, Drayden?
Alright, Xander.
Jeez.
Put it. You have to put it probably right
As you
there.
can see, it's in the middle.
Push, push, push with those tiny hands.
I just didn't.
Come on. Alright, hands up.
That's actually a pretty good
Do
one.
this and try to get some of the.
You're putting more flour on it?
Chill.
Deal.
This
It
actually
actually
goes-
touch you and
this
get
actually
you
goes- okay, Ryder. I go right there.
Why don't you use the?
You did.
You know that I said child and call people children and stuff.
What did you say?
They watch my gaming videos. Of course they know I'm crazy.
Give me a bunny ears again.
Talking to the people watching. Yeah, that's what we want around here is germs on our cookie.
Yeah, no blowing on the stuff.
No blowing around the cookies.
Okay.
Why did you
Xander.
just do that when I asked you not to?
Do we get to eat the cookies?
Okay, this has already been asked. I'm pretty sure I gave an answer.
Do we get to eat the cookie?
You didn't.
Oh,
That was my neck. I'm sitting
No, I
next.
invited you over here to make cookies and then force you to watch me eat them.
Ryder.
Ooh, so intimidating.
Hello.
If that's your
We get to eat the cookies too.
Hey, buddy, I'm right here. You don't need to yell. I think we got enough of the craziness right here. Yeah, we got a little bit more to make. All off
It has a crack
when
in
it's
the
baked.
arm.
And see how delicious they are. First, we gotta decorate. Oh, cookies are, well, almost all done. Still waiting on one batch. That looks so good. Mixing up some frosting. Gonna have these kids decorate a plate already. Right now we got blue frosting up, so a few right there.
I want to decorate the non-broken one. I'm selfish. Just kidding.
You're not gonna put anything on there first?
We don't have any evidence.
Boys.
Now we get to the decorating part. I can already... She seems way too eager to with that knife. This generation scares me.
Okay. Do we have any other colors?
Yeah, it's called a mix it. I am one man.
Mix faster, one man.
No respect nowadays.
No. You're too soft.
Oh my god. Well, then grab some frosting in there.
I'm gonna grab it.
Put it in a bowl.
I don't know how much frosting you want me to put in the bowl.
However much is... There's how many cookies? Don't look at me like that.
I'll look at you however I want to look at you.
So I'm so glad to be the youngest. If I had a younger sibling, I'm pretty sure this is the embodiment it would be in right now, okay? Stir. Stir.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna go help. I can't do this.
You can't decorate a cookie?
Not with a knife. What are you supposed to decorate it with? A fork? An icing bag thing? That is way too hard to use.
Call we adapt, we improvise, we evolve, we do what we need to. We do what we must.
Didn't you bring icing
Yeah,
bags
that's too much
over
work.
here?
It's too much. No imagination.
I'm done.
How is it that there are only
You're
two
done?
How is it that the two colors that are still in use are not even ones that I would love to use right now?
Grab the tiny
Like, we got tons of blue, we got tons of yellow, but no green, no orange. I mean, we can mix them together, but I don't know if I really want to do that.
Why not? It's fun.
Can I eat it?
Haley will do that then.
Can
No, I'm gonna make something weird.
Can I
Uncle, don't ask me. Answer the child.
Can we
Whoa.
eat it?
Generation's also very demanding.
Can we please eat it?
You know, they forget what lane they're in, apparently. This is the first time we've ever done a baking with Swift. Swift makes whatever you want to call it. Take a bite. It's a recipe I've never tried before. It's got no egg in it, so kind of curious of how it tastes. It's supposed to be soft. Based on those crunches, it does not sound soft.
Yeah, the
that's
thing
delicious.
says
That's delicious.
I'm sorry, what did you say? Can you repeat that?
soft
It's delicious.
gingerbread.
Dang right it is. Yeah, well,
Soft gingerbread cookie.
I'm aware of what it says. I found the recipe.
Mine's soft. This is crunchy. How
Well,
is it
it-
soft?
Oh, it's because it's not made with an egg, so that's where it's supposed to not be as hard, because eggs have a tendency at times to make a bit of a harder cookie.
Sprinkles over the plate.
To be
I'm done.
Mm.
I said it was way too much.
Mm. I got hot sauce.
Okay. I want to try. Wait, what?
Alright, we're gonna add something new to this video. I'm surprised no one's picked up my phone to be in the shot and have the shot all about them. I'm very
Okay,
sorry.
like
There we
move
go.
over it.
There we
Yeah, I did.
I want green on mine.
Did I also try with cut up mushrooms?
Ew!
go. No.
What the heck? I'm still trying to find
Sounds like something my chat would have me do as a punishment.
Stress street taco sauce, is that it?
No. It's cayenne pepper and scotch bonnet. I was wondering on my phone when. I should have known.
A bit on the okay, next mind, I guess.
Yay!
Go
Did you just get hot sauce on it?
No, not yet. Alright, dip that cookie in there.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, why?
Oh,
She's
why
trying.
are you guys doing this?
You see that?
That's gonna hurt. I'm just gonna say right now, it's gonna hurt. As someone who's taking a shot of this, it hurts.
Does it taste good, guys?
Crunchy.
I'm gonna tell you right now, it's probably
But
not
does
gonna
it
taste
taste
very
good?
Oh my goodness.
What?
I can see her face. Look at the camera. I can see her face getting red, Braden.
Yeah, actually flavorful.
Them cheeks getting
No.
real rosy.
Have another one.
Sure.
I am normal.
There is no such thing as normal. Yeah, go ahead. Have another one.
Yeah. Okay.
So I would say for the first ever baking video, oh my gosh, I'm getting booed on my own channel. I thought this was going to happen for like another 15 years when my son gets older. But this has been Baking with Swift and almost a success. So don't forget that if you enjoyed this video to hit that like, oh my god, I can't focus. That cookie is way too good. Like, oh my god.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
There we go. Thank you. Thank you. You can count on the younger generation to help you.
Like and subscribe.
What you said.
See, he's so
See you all in the next video. Bye.